Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So gold went all the way back up and made another new all-time high. All last week, I said it looks like gold needs a pullback, but I really would not recommend going short. Why? Because there's no break of structure on these higher time frames. Every single one of these swings right here is a higher low. There has not one time been anything telling us that this is a trend reversal to the downside. We are definitely still in a wave three trend. I've seen wave three trends go to the 361% and beyond. We are at the 278 right now, which is definitely seems like an area where it could end, but it does not have to end here. It could continue to make higher highs, higher lows if it wants to. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this is definitely a one, two, three to me. We are for sure in a wave three trend right now, and we're kind of right in between two fib levels. So I mean, I don't really see any reason to think that this is over. At some point, it probably is going to make a pullback, like a wave four pullback, and then another push up for wave five to finish off the five wave impulsive move that started right here. But for now, yeah, I mean, we're definitely still looking for logs at least until the 4 hour to daily time frame gives us some kind of an evidence telling us that this is not in an uptrend anymore, which we definitely do not have that yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.